The UV-3245 sneaker printer is purpose-built for shoe surface printing, delivering vibrant and accurate results on complex shoe contours. Perfectly suited for custom designs and small batch production. With a maximum printing height of 150 millimeters, it accommodates diverse shoe types and uneven surfaces. Ensures consistent, high-quality output from chunky sneakers to high-top boots. Specially optimized for stitched and layered materials, maintains sharp, intact prints on seams with no bleeding or cracking. Equipped with industrial-grade Rico G6 print heads for superior precision, richer colors, and extended lifespan. The UV-3245 sneaker combines specialized design, broad compatibility, detail handling, and industrial reliability to meet premium custom footwear and manufacturing demands. Follow Sublistar for more updates, insights, and practical guides in the printing industry.